Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can link your bank account to your Binance account. Keep watching the video till the end. To link your bank account to your Binance account, firstly, go ahead and open up your Binance application. The home page of Binance will appear on the screen. Click on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. On the next page, click on Payment Methods and then on P2P Payment Method. Now, tap on Add a Payment Method. Choose any bank suitable to link to your Binance account. Enter your name and payment details as well. Then tap on Confirm. During trade, details of the added payment methods will be shown to the buyer to make the due payment. You need to complete all the verifications to continue. Verify passkey with your biometrics or security key. And this is how you can link your bank account with Binance quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.